Today we are building my very ugly car. It's my turbo thingy. So let's see. We just make. This is not for the car. This is for an iPhone holder. No. Second. Okay. I guess I'll just hold it. So, you need to start out with this. Use kind of wheels, forms, kind of. Alright, let's just try. Wait 2 seconds. There. Okay. There we go. So, now you want to start out with these two little lights, and just add them on right here, and right here. Then you want to cut 2 review mirrors. You want to add them right there, and right there. This is not my best creation, I have to admit that, because it sucks. So here you go, got the fire. Putting fire in on these, like that. Okay. So, now you want to get a claw piece, and you add that to the front. Then you want to get this piece, add it right there. Then you want to get a 1x2 gray flat, right there. Then you want a 1x2 flat red. Then you want to get 2 1x3s. There, and right there. We're gonna get 2 of these. Then we have black and white. And then go on here, right here. As you see, this car is very ugly. So, now what do we do? Let's take this little grill, put it right there. Nope. Just add this right here. Do that. And then add this right here. Add this right here. There you go. Just get it down. Then he goes right there. You got your little turbo rider. Okay, so tell us which one you think would win in a race. I think this one. Yeah. Thank you for watching.